Hey, Kevin Falvey, Editor-in-Chief of Boating Magazine. I'm here aboard the L-Class 22 Splash Pad Q3V from Qwest Pontoons. This is a midline pontoon residing right in the middle of the offerings from Qwest Pontoons, and it offers some outstanding features. Stick around to learn more about this Qwest pontoon right now. Here I am at the helm, and this L-Class pontoon comes with these beautiful high back helm chairs. They swivel, recline, move fore and aft, and boy, are they comfortable. The helm itself is well arrayed. It's a dark color, so it's non-glare. There's a nice carbon fiber look to the instrument panel. Our tilt wheel is at hand, our engine controls are at hand, and it's a digital helm. All of my engine, navigation, and boat accessory functions are accessed via this Garmin screen. Let's check it out. This Garmin touchscreen puts every feature at your fingertips. Watch as I hit the home button and select between a variety of features. If I'd like sonar, I simply hit the sonar button. Go back to home, I can combine fishing and sonar. All my engine instrumentation is available too. Simply hit vessel, hit mercury, and there are my gauges. I can choose multiple combinations to put any functions at my fingertips. This L-Class pontoon comes standard with a JL audio system and 4 speakers. Our test boat was upfitted with 2 more speakers plus a subwoofer. The helm is also fitted with phone charging for both the captain and the mate. A great feature aboard this L-Class pontoon is the 3D fencing. You get to choose your top color, your base color, and your accent color, and boy, is there a variety to choose from. The rails are powder-coated black. This is a tough, durable finish that'll stay looking good for the life of your pontoon. And secondly, they supply the boat with these fender clips that are really easy to use. They make deploying and removing your fenders super easy. I'd like to take a minute to talk about some of the seating details aboard this Qwest pontoon. You know, in examining these seats, we can see a lot of the attention to detail that Qwest integrates into its boats. For instance, there's deep storage areas behind the seating. These are great for throwing your cell phone, your glasses. There's cup holders back there and grab handles. And a really nice feature aboard this L-Class pontoon is the quilting in recessed areas and along the base of the seats. There's floating cup holders, and the seats themselves open up on an articulated hinge, which enable the cushions to stand upright and allow you to use both hands to get at the gear within. And wait till you see inside the seats. It's the unique Inca matting at the bottom of the storage area. This Inca matting keeps stowed gear up out of any collected moisture and allows airflow to allow things to stay dry and keep dry. Finally, the seat bases are roto-molded poly. They will never rot. Let's see what else this boat has to offer. This Qwest pontoon is a splash pad model, and here I am sitting in just one of the many positions that the splash pad offers. By pushing a button, this backrest moves forward and back. In fact, it will lay all the way down to create a sun pad back here. There's a secondary backrest that flips up and allows passengers to sit facing the rear of the boat. And because of this nice stainless steel railing, you can utilize the aft-facing seat even when the boat's underway. That same stainless steel railing also incorporates a ski tow, 2 boarding gates, and there's a nice 4-step stainless steel ladder mounted to starboard. That'll be excellent for getting in and out of the water for swimming, tubing, and other water activities. This expansive bimini top is a great feature aboard this L-Class pontoon. There's even a special mechanism that makes putting it up and taking it down easy. You know, we had a great on-water experience, and to learn more about this Qwest pontoon, please visit boatingmag.com. And until next time, I'm Editor-in-Chief Kevin Falvey.